Repeat, please. Very good. This picture is night. Repeat, please. Night.
Now we are going to revise the color. What color is this?
White.
Very good. What color is this?
Brown.
Very good. Now we are going to sing a little song. First, we are going to sing the word as and then all of them.
Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate anytime, day or night. Sweet to eat, sticky to touch. You will be sick if you eat too much. Now, everybody, come on.
Wait, just a minute. It's okay.